Have you seen this? Paying for health insurance should not be more expensive than paying for your mortgage. I just want to pull out one piece of this article. There's one couple mentioned in the story, Lenny and Mandy Wilson, who live in West Virginia. They paid $255 a month for their insurance last year and then found out that their premium would be skyrocketing to over $2,000 a month this year. That's an extra $1,700 a month.
This is actually a client of mine. You can see here that their increase was $2,429.43.
I pay a little over $600 a month for medical, dental, vision, and all of that, through my job. I pay a little over $600. So that's a little over $300 every 2 weeks. And that's for 2025. But for 2026, it's going to be like $2,100. It's going to
Not a lot of people have that kind of cash lying around. So now, like millions of other Americans, Lenny and Mandy lost their health insurance altogether. God forbid that somebody gets sick or gets into an accident. But Lenny and Mandy made the impossible decision of choosing to pay their mortgage instead of paying for health insurance because they couldn't do both housing and health care.
Because here's why. If I have to now pay $2,100 a month for benefits, I won't be able to afford it.
So many people are in this situation now and they're trying to look into all their options outside of the marketplace. So
I can't pay $2,100 out of my work check or I won't have a check, right?
You can go on your employer's coverage if it's offered. Sometimes can be affordable depending on what the discounted rate is with them. There are also private options available if you can medically qualify.
Right? I'm spending my whole work check paying for benefits. This is so crazy.
Yeah, the thing about private is that it's based off of your health, not based off of your income. Price is the price, right? So it doesn't matter if you move, change jobs, get sick, get hurt, anything like that. You're never going to be expected to pay more for those things. The only time your premium is going to increase is when you get older, because that's very typical. The more you age, the older you are, the little bit more expensive it gets. But
now, tell me more about this. But again, this is the first video I seen when I logged into TikTok today. I did reach out to my to Anthem, but it's the weekend. I wasn't thinking. I just reached out immediately because it gave me a little bit of anxiety. Open enrollment is next month, and I am going to have to decide if I'm going to go a year or two without insurance at all.